Big tech seems to be deepening its bet on OpenAI as NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Amazon may be in talks to invest in a new funding round for the company. Our Deirdre Bosa has more in today's Tech Check. Morning, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So the money lining up behind OpenAI, it tells you something. Some of the biggest players in tech, they're betting that OpenAI can take back the narrative in the next model cycle. An OpenAI comeback after Code Red, months of sliding down the technical benchmarks, rising pressure from Google's Gemini. Now, its next model, GPT-6, it's expected in the second quarter. And this is key, it's being trained on NVIDIA Blackwell chips. That matters because Blackwell is supposed to change what's possible at the very top of model training. And just like we saw Gemini 3 flip the narrative and the investment thesis, that could plausibly happen again, but this time in the OpenAI universe's favor. So you're looking at these sort of different universes right here. The OpenAI one is Oracle, AMD, Microsoft, NVIDIA, CoreWeave, SoftBank, the infrastructure that's exposed to OpenAI. It suddenly has a very different setup if GPT-6 does reset the benchmark race. For Microsoft, though, the relationship has become more complicated. It is no longer the primary financial or strategic beneficiary of OpenAI's success. Its biggest cloud rival, Amazon, may be getting a stake through this new funding round, according to that reporting. And Microsoft itself is already diversifying by giving customers more choice over which models they use and making an investment in Anthropic, by the way, OpenAI's rival. Now, you also heard some defensiveness on the earnings call last night. Amy Hood pointing out to analysts the mix of backlog as a glass half full, 55% Microsoft, 45% tied to OpenAI. Now, for big tech as a whole, though, investors are looking for execution, and Microsoft may be losing the street. An hour ago, you guys were talking to Melius's Ben Rietz's, who has rated the stock a buy, and he told you that Satya Nadella is playing catch-up to products like Anthropic's Claude Cowork, and they need to fix this narrative. So, guys, an OpenAI comeback, if this does come to fruition, will change the investment thesis in the AI race as a whole, but it won't be the same boost to Microsoft that it has been in the past.
Yeah, I was talking to Brad Gerstner about this yesterday in Washington, D.C. from Altimeter, who's one of the big backers and big investors of OpenAI. Talks to Sam Altman. He showed me a chart that showed the usage of OpenAI ChatGPT versus Gemini, and it was just sharply higher and faster. And I do wonder GPT versus Gemini, and I wonder if that's what you hear too, and how that feeds into the question. I feel like investors are very fickle with how they feel about OpenAI, but you can never quite know because it's not public.
And the metrics are fickle too, right? It depends on what you look at. Like yesterday for that scorecard we did, we were looking at tokage usage, and we were looking at the technical benchmarks. And actually, you see that OpenAI has been falling off a little bit. Just on those two measures, you're seeing a lot more momentum. And anecdotally, too, you hear about that from people who are building, developers, investors. It's all about Anthropic right now. They feel like the steadier bet. But the point is that it can all change with a new model release. I was skeptical that Gemini 3 would change the landscape as much as it did, but it really did, from the token usage numbers that I'm seeing to the adoption rates, monthly active users, to time spent on each site. So it's just extremely, extremely fluid. And maybe Gerstner is getting ahead of this, right? Because he knows that the next model is coming out. Maybe we are about to see that come back.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Deirdre. Deirdre Bosa.